Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Nanoleaf to Apple HomeKit detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect your Nanoleaf to Apple HomeKit, first ensure your Nanoleaf light panels are set up and powered on. Download and open the Nanoleaf app from the App Store on your iOS device. Create an account or log in to your existing Nanoleaf account. Once logged in, tap on the Add Device option in the app. Select your model of Nanoleaf from the list of available devices. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the pairing process. Make sure your iPhone or iPad is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Nanoleaf panels. When prompted, grant the app permission to access your location. This is necessary for the app to discover your device. Next, the app will prompt you to scan the HomeKit setup code. Locate the HomeKit setup code, usually found on the back of your device or in the Nanoleaf product manual. Use your device's camera to scan the code. Once the code is successfully scanned, your Nanoleaf will be linked to Apple HomeKit. You can now customize your Nanoleaf settings through the app. Navigate to the Devices section in the Home app on your iOS device. Locate your Nanoleaf in the list of devices. From here, you can control the panels, adjust brightness, and change colors. You can also create automation and scenes to enhance your experience. Test out the voice control feature by asking Siri to control your Nanoleaf lights. Enjoy seamlessly integrating your Nanoleaf with your Apple HomeKit setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.